Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I actually want to do something a bit different. I want to talk about Swagbucks and whether or not Swagbucks is worth your time. So on this, I'm pretty much going to be giving like a bit of a review for Swagbucks. But before I really get into things, if this is the first video you're seeing on this channel, I talk pretty much about affiliate marketing, how to really grow a business online, different ways of making money online. So if that is the thing that interests you and you want to learn more, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the subscribe button down below and tick the bell icon to be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's talk about Swagbucks. So what exactly is Swagbucks, and is it actually worth your time? So Swagbucks is actually a site, a survey site, one of the more well-known ones out there. It pretty much pays you to fill out surveys, answer some, basic questions, earn Swagbucks for your grocery receipts. They've got other ways to earn, like, try out certain games, sign up for, Huggies, or, start a free trial for, this show right here, and enter in certain, prizes and stuff like that, try out certain games. They've got shop and earn, so shop on certain websites and get cash back. They've got other featured ways to earn, like, try out DoorDash for the first time, try out Tidal, whole bunch of things like that. So it's, basic things like, watching videos, filling out surveys, playing some games as well, downloading apps, very basic things. And then you get paid to try out these services. You get paid to fill out surveys. You get paid for, multiple different things on this platform. So there's a few different ways of making money, but the question is Swagbucks actually worth your time? So that's pretty much what I'm going to be answering in this video. Now, the number one thing that you must really take note of is that when you decide to sign up for a site like swagbucks.com, is that you're getting paid to do very easy and basic things. That's the number one thing that you must really understand. And most people who are coming online, I'm assuming that if you're watching this video right now, you are looking for different ways of making money online. Perhaps you've been watching multiple videos on, how to make money online, different, methods and different sites that you can, of course, go to. And Swagbucks happens to be one of them that are very, it's very easy to sign up, very easy to get started. And you just do certain little things to make, some points here and there, and then you could, of course, redeem them for gift cards. The number one thing that you must understand is that if you are constantly looking for easy ways to make money online, in other words, if you're looking for ways to just fill out a few surveys, you're looking for ways to just, watch a bunch of videos and hope to, make lots of money, well, I hate to disappoint you, but you probably shouldn't expect to make that much on a site like Swagbucks, because with swagbucks.com, you're doing very basic to little, very basic to easy, things that, don't take much effort at all, don't really take any skills to learn. And if you are looking for easy ways to make money online like this, then you should probably expect to get paid like peanuts. Now, I hate to say that. I hate to, be the bearer of bad news, but that is the unfortunate reality, is that with sites like this, you just cannot expect to really earn that much. But as something that, say like it's like a side income, you kind of do it on the side here and there, and you're just looking for a way to, make some extra money here and there to hopefully pay the bills, hopefully add up, maybe buy you lunch every now and then. If that's your mindset going into this, then I would say maybe sign up for it. Maybe spend a little bit of time here and there. But personally, I wouldn't recommend spending too much time on a site like swagbucks.com, because oftentimes you spend a lot of time answering the same exact questions over and over again. What country do you live in? Where are you from? How many people live in your household? What's your annual income? What are your, views on politics? Who are you voting for? What's your religious beliefs? It's a whole bunch of questions like that they'll have you answer over and over again. And, it can get kind of tiring after a while, when you just are constantly filling out those same questions. And oftentimes what tends to happen with a lot of these survey sites is that you fill out a few surveys, and then, you either, don't get paid exactly what you were expecting, or it says, oh, you didn't qualify for this survey because you didn't answer exactly what, you didn't give the exact answers that we are looking for. And then you end up wasting a lot of time, on things that aren't paying you anything, or very little to nothing. And then you just end up feeling very disappointed down the road. You end up feeling very burnt out. And that's kind of the unfortunate reality with a lot of these sites, is that, yes, you can make some money on it. I'm not here to say that, Swagbucks is a complete scam altogether, because you absolutely can make, some money here and there if you like devote your entire life to it for like an entire month or something like that. But if you're looking for a way to actually make some consistent income online, and you actually want something that could potentially supplement or replace your current income, then Swagbucks definitely is not the way that you would want to go about it. However, if you are maybe say like the age of like, I don't know, 13 years old, and let's say you've got nothing better to do. You aren't, of course, old enough to, get a job, and you're just looking for some, ways here and there, and how you could maybe get, some free trials for, PlayStation Network or anything or something like that, or, Netflix, or you want some, some dollars here and that you could spend on Amazon or eBay. Well, in that case, if you want to have some fun with it, you want to play a few games, then I say absolutely go for it. Go all out with Swagbucks, and spend some time on Swagbucks. Take some surveys and stuff like that. But ultimately, for most people, I would not recommend spending much time on swagbucks.com. And even then, at the age of like 13, I would still preferably focus on something that focusing on actually developing skill sets, because the more that you focus on skill sets that are much more needed in the actual marketplace, then the more you will be able to make in the long term. The problem with most people who are coming online looking for ways to make money is that they're constantly looking for easy and quick ways to make fast income overnight. Most people are looking for ways to get rich quick overnight. They're not willing to invest in their skill sets. They don't want to invest into any equipment, like if they're like trying to like build a business and create passive income. Most people, they want to stick with something like this, where it's very easy and quick in the short term, but in the long term they don't really make that much. So that's kind of the thing that you really have to take note of, is that with sites like these, you cannot really expect to earn much if you are spending lots of time on it. And if you want to make a full-time income online, or at least a good side income, what I would personally recommend is focus on developing skill sets. Or if you do have something that you are good at, like maybe it's building websites, maybe it's writing content, maybe it's making videos, whatever your skill set is that you feel you're good at, or if you feel like there's something that you could potentially become good at, I would preferably focus on that and see if you could turn that into a good side income. In fact, what I would actually recommend is that if you want to at least make some money online, maybe you're not looking to like start a business or anything like that, but you want to make some good income on the side without having to invest into anything. I do have a video that I put up recently on this channel called, where I pretty much talked about how I made my very first dollar online on a site called Fiverr.com. And that's actually a freelance website that you could make money with, by pretty much providing a service of your choice. On Fiverr, there's, tons of different ways that you can make money. Some people make, a good side income. There's very few people that make, full-time income from that. But that's, one of the things that I did when I was first getting online, is I, started creating like these little short videos on Fiverr, and I made some decent side income with that. So I will include like a card, like right, at the top right, if you want to check out that video. But otherwise, if you're looking for a way to create a full-time income online, you want to, create something that, will be more passive income, then what I would personally recommend doing is starting an online business. That's what I would personally recommend doing in the long term. And that's ultimately what I feel like that everyone's goal should be. If they're coming online looking for ways to make money, your goal should be to create passive income where you could work on your own terms, wherever and whenever you are, pretty much be your own boss. And my personal number one recommendation for that is doing affiliate marketing. That's primarily what I recommend, and that's primarily what this channel is all about. So, of course, as I mentioned before, if that is something that you are interested in, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out more videos on this channel. But otherwise, if you want to check out my free training about affiliate marketing, you want to learn more about that and how you could, of course, build an entire business around that concept, the number one link in my description, the first link, will get you access to my free training that I put together for affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn more about that, that training will pretty much go over how to really build a business online. It goes over the 4 main components you must have in place to really build a long-term solid business online through the concept of affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn more about that, then definitely be sure to check out that training there. See what the training is all about, and then. But of course, let me know your experience in the comments down below if you have had any success with swagbucks.com, if you've made anything, let me know your experience with, survey sites in general. I'd be really interested to know. But otherwise, if you found this video helpful, you found this review valuable, definitely be sure to give this video a like, because it really does help the channel. Leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts and your experience with doing surveys on Swagbucks, if you had any success or if you have not. And if you think it's a scam altogether, be sure to let me know your opinions. I'd be really interested to hear. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and take care.